It is not possible.
It's not possible.
This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen.
Very well.
It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing.
Yes.
It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes. The rules change.
Ohanaeze Ndigbo decries continuous incarceration of Nnamdi Kanu. Apex Igbo Sociocultural Organization, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, on Wednesday sounded a note of warning that the continuous incarceration of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was the incarceration of Ndigbo. It insisted that it was no longer comfortable, that the trial had taken about 10 years since 2015, even with the bail earlier granted to him by a competent court in Nigeria. President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Senator John Azuta Mbata, stated during the 2025 Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide Retreat in Enugu on Wednesday that Kanu's matter, which has taken a toll on Igbo land, could have ended if those behind the trial wanted it to end. He stated that the postponement of the retreat earlier scheduled for May the 21st and 22nd was due to Kanu's court case that was to be heard on that day, stressing that the shift in the date was a bold and loud statement about how Ndigbo feel on the matter. Ohanaeze Ndigbo was making a point by postponing the retreat to redirect the attention of all Igbo to what is going on in the court on that day. We have had a trial going on for 10 years. What kind of trial is that? What kind of justice is that? Let everyone bear it in mind that as Kanu is being incarcerated, even with a bail granted by a competent court, it is the entire Igbo that is being incarcerated. There are many prerogatives that are available to the government. The continuous delay in this trial is not acceptable to Ndigbo. As we proceed to the next election, let us put the interest of our people first, he stated. He said that the retreat, with the theme, Rebuilding Our Foundation, was deliberate and a way to call attention to the dying values and characters of Ndigbo. Anglican Bishop of Enugu Diocese, RT Rev Samuel Ike, had earlier charged Ohanaeze Ndigbo leadership to restructure the funding mechanisms so as not to be strangulated by the government in power as a way of rebuilding Igbo land. You must restructure our core values as in the days of old. We must by all means seek to go back to our core values, uphold justice, and mete out punishment where necessary. We must pursue justice and ensure that we eliminate influence from moneybaggers. We must return to integrity, dignity. We have moneybaggers who have no address. There is a need to restructure our youths to refrain from adulatory and fetish business, or the other. We must, by God's grace, root out the thinking that money is the ultimate. Human feeling is gone because of adulatory. We must recover all. Let's rebuild our foundation to what is right. We must poise to think out a day of thanksgiving for Igbo with the episode of January 15, 1966. We must return to education because education makes a nation and will make Ndigbo. Let's get our young men and women back to school. With the power of unity, we are rebuilding communal thinking and the power of one voice. We must return to our power of unity, Bishop Ike said. Stay tuned for more updates, stay safe and have a blessed day.